Hey everyone, it's Elliot here. Today I wanted to speak with you about getting your home repaired before you list it for sale. Once a buyer inspects your house, you are on a timeline to complete repairs. You might not have enough time to get different estimates and complete the repairs. The more repairs you make before selling your house, the less a buyer will be able to beat up on your price. And you can take care of those fixes ahead of time. They'll also see that the home has been well maintained. Make these needed repairs now. For more tips on how to sell your house quickly and for top dollar, visit us at 14daystosold.com and download our book. Who do you know that's looking to buy, sell, or invest within the next 90 days? Share this video with them and be sure to download our free book, 14 Days to Sold. This book is filled with plenty of advice on how you can prepare your home properly, taking the necessary steps.